Go across to Pooja now. Tweets have just come in from the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. Pooja, take it away.
That's right, Shiv. So a series of reactions coming in from the Home Minister and the Prime Minister. I want to first bring to you what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said. Sharing a photograph with the CDS Bipin Rawat, Prime Minister has said, General Rawat was an outstanding soldier, a true patriot. He greatly contributed to modernizing our armed forces and the security apparatus. His insights and perspectives on strategic matters were exceptional. His passing away has saddened me deeply. Om Shanti. It was then also followed by Home Minister Amit Shah's reaction. I express also my deepest condolences on the sad demise of Mrs. Madhulika Rawat and 11 other armed forces personnel. My thoughts are with the bereaved families. May God give them the strength, and praying also, adding here, for a possible miracle and hope, praying for the speedy recovery of Group Captain Varun Singh. In fact, there was another reaction from the Home Minister. A very sad day for the nation. We have lost our CDS General Rawat in a very tragic accident. One of our bravest soldiers, says the Home Minister, who has served the motherland with utmost devotion. His exemplary contribution and commitment cannot be put into words. I am deeply pained. But this, apart from coming in, remember, the Indian Army has also released a statement stating this leadership of General Rawat will be missed deeply, and that, of course, via General M.M. Narvane. So the Prime Minister, Home Minister, in fact, just right now, Shiv, the President of the country, Ramnath Kovind, has also given out the statement. I'm shocked and anguished over the untimely demise of General Rawat, his wife, Madhulika Ji. The nation has lost one of its bravest sons. His 4 decades of selfless service to the motherland, marked by exceptional gallantry and heroism. My condolences. So, of course, the topmost leadership of the country, the Indian Army, the Indian Air Force, and scores of people, everyone around the country, with their condolences for the family here. Shiv.
An incredibly sad day, and more of those reactions will be streaming in right now. The entire government system and political system is completely laser focused on the unspeakable tragedy of this unfolding story. General Bipin Rawat and Mrs. Madhulika Rawat's remains will be brought to the national capital tomorrow. The Cabinet Committee on Security meeting in the national capital has, we are told, just begun. And we will be getting more information on that in a short while. You've heard Pooja just read out tweets by the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the Defence Minister, and the other members of the government leadership at this point of time.